Now, cell energy and ATP. So, uh, adenosine triphosphate is ATP, sorry. Cells can't use energy from food directly. It has to be converted into the form that the cell can use, which is glucose. So how does the energy get from food to the cells? The body takes in the food, it breaks it down through digestion, and then the energy, the glucose, is released from the food and then can be used by the cells. So glucose is used by cells during a series of chemical reactions called cellular respiration. During cellular respiration, glucose is combined with oxygen and is transformed into mitochondria, in the mitochondria into high energy molecules called adenosine triphosphate. So don't really worry, where is this happening? It's happening in the mitochondria. If you've ever taken a biology class, you remember mitochondria, Mickey Mouse powerhouse. That's the energy source of the cell. And you may not have taken a biology class, so I'm maybe talking gibberish to you. But what happens is the glucose is the energy source, and it gets into that part of the cell that will be the relay station to release that energy. So this high energy molecule is called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. So a process goes on. The ATP base is made up of a base, a sugar, and 3 triphosphates group. So that's why it's called adenosine triphosphate, 3 phosphates. The phosphate groups are held together by high energy bonds. When the bond is broken, it releases that energy. So the energy in this form then can be used by the cell. Now, when the bond is broken, one of those phosphate ions molecules comes off. So what's left is adenosine diphosphate, or ADP, di meaning 2. So it loses 1 from the tri and becomes 2 with the di. Now the ADP can go and pick up another phosphate and form another high energy bond. So the process can repeat. So here's the illustration from your book. So the adenosine triphosphate is this entire long molecule. This whole thing is the triphosphate. Whoops, I went a little outside my barrier there. So that's where it lines up this. Now, for the triphosphate, here are our triphosphates. There's 3 right there. So this gets broken, this energy molecule, and leaves us with the diphosphate. There's a video on gas exchange, which I've posted on Canvas.